Most common questions asked in exams and quizzes. Semi can cover ledona. This will be the third part 3 video ani a. First le second video in len lo chuan in nge donia. Indu chuan note point siam zel theya and video hi it will be quite beneficial for upcoming examinations and quizzes. Notification bell in la on lo chuan hey and tuna 29.5%. So only 29.5 70.5% in an la on lawa. More 70.5% lie in la on lawa. So ka request in on chuan achat na vechu ka upload the piang in YouTube valut khar lawin more notification alang zel dona in shengal thei dona. So thei chuan in on donia. Hey questions to tam do more than 200 questions came in can practice to. Tuna kan start lenga note in siam du chuan in siam theinio pakhatte tein mo point by point in ziak thlazelanga pui don lu tuk cheu. Round revolution is related to potato. Thil tu donia potato. Now revolution po hey different type of revolutions are there and khoshami heta chang point exam chuak china revision ani hi. Round revolution potato, green revolution food grains rice and wheat, grey revolution fertilizers or wool production, pink revolution prawn or onion production, white revolution also called as operation flood milk production, blue revolution fish production, and yeah red revolution is related to meat or tomato production, yellow oil seed production, brown revolution leather or cocoa product, golden fiber revolution jute production, golden revolution fruits honey horticulture production, silver revolution egg poultry production, silver fiber revolution cotton, protein revolution agriculture, evergreen revolution overall development of agriculture, rainbow revolution ponitemo, black revolution related to petroleum revolution. 201, 202 le 203 kan cover toa last video. Now 204. From which country the process of impeachment of President of India is taken? So correct answer is USA. USA atrangin and boro hemi concept hi 205. India and China signed Panchsheel Pact in the year 1954. Tule tu inkar Jawaharlal Nehru le Zhou Enlai, senior most official from China. Okay, so 1954 hi thengel mi alaula. 206. How many languages are officially recognized in India? 22. Atirachon 14 languages were added. Okay, maseng anua tahen kamuchaunga. 14 languages were included in the constitution initially. 21st Amendment Act 1967 Sindhian Eda. 71st Amendment Act 1992 Konkani, Manipuri and Nepalian Eda. 92nd Amendment Act 2003 Bodo, Dogri, Maithili, Le, Santhali and Ed. So Pariyatharan Ed atro. So atira 14 and new 8 22 official languages. Question number 207. In which year Delhi became the capital of India? So Delhi became capital of India till December 12th, 1911. What was the capital? Kolkata was the capital. Maseng 12th December 1911 Delhi and shift day. 208. When was Rowlatt Act passed? 1919 is correct answer. 18th March. 18th March 1919 is correct answer. Rowlatt Act hi Black Act po kant trina. 209. Who was the first chairman of Planning Commission? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Who appoints the chairman of UPSC? Chairman of UPSC is appointed by the president. UPSC tenure 6 years or 65, whichever comes first. An article ang zat nge. Article zathum som panga atrangin zathum som nile pathum. Part is 14. And UPSC is a constitutional body. Hemitili thing lautu. Tuna takyan means current chairman tunge Dr. Manoj Soni. These are extra points. Now, who put forward drain of wealth theory? Dada Bhai Nauroji. Dada Bhai Nauroji, he grand old man. Grand Old Man of India Pontitrina. Ganymede or Jupiter 3 is the largest and most massive natural satellite of Jupiter and in the solar system. Alien Bera Ganymede. Question number 213. Maximum strength of Rajya Sabha is 200. Who was the chairman of Union Power Committee of the Constituent Assembly of India? Jawaharlal Nehru is correct. Tahian important committee le chairman tahian kada indu chuan pakhatte ten in note down. Ad hoc committee on national flag Rajendra Prasad. Advisory committee on fundamental rights Vallabhbhai Patel. Committee on the function of the Constituent Assembly G.V. Mavalankar. Committee on minorities and tribal and excluded areas Vallabhbhai Patel. Committee on Rules of Procedure Rajendra Prasad. Special Committee to examine the draft constitution Alladi Krishna Swami Iyer. Provincial Constitution Committee Vallabhbhai Patel. Drafting Committee B.R. Ambedkar. Excluded and partially excluded area subcommittee A.V. Thakkar. Finance and Staff Committee Rajendra Prasad. Fundamental Rights Subcommittee J.B. Kripalani. House Committee B. Pattabhi Sitaramaiah. Minority Subcommittee H.C. Mukherjee. Northeast Frontier Tribal Area and Assam Excluded and Partially Excluded Areas Subcommittee Gopinath Bardaloy. Order of Business Committee K.M. Munshi. State Committee Jawaharlal Nehru. Steering Committee Rajendra Prasad. Union Commission Committee Jawaharlal Nehru. Union Power Committee Jawaharlal Nehru. And our question was, who was the chairman of the Union Power Committee of Constituent Assembly of India? Jawaharlal Nehru is correct answer. What is the maximum gap between two sessions of a parliament? Two sessions, 180 days or 6 months is correct answer. BMW, Bavarian Motor Workers, a German automobile making company ne throw. So B for session hi pathum. 3 types of sessions are there. B for what? Budget session. Okay. February atrang in May. Chumizwa M for monsoon session. July atrang in September. Chuan W for winter session. Hemi November to December. Now question number 215. In which year did the cabinet mission arrived in India? 1946 is correct answer. Panchayat Raj comes under Englista. There are total 3 lists. Union list, state list and concurrent list. Panchayat Raj comes under state list. And state list atlem adang pokazi akangata hian in duchonin note down thai. Police. Okay. Is state list and police and ya public orders. Chumizwa local government. Okay. Local government. D tahan kanzi akthazelanga agriculture. Agriculture. E health and sanitation. Animal husbandry. Animal husbandry. Water supply. Water supply. Fisheries po. So koshana means examatian koshani lo chuan. Police comes under which list? Public order, local government, agriculture, health and sanitation, animal husbandry, water supply, fisheries comes under which list? So it will be state list. Okay. Question number 217. SAARC was formed in 1985. SAARC, South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. Headquarters is there in Kathmandu, Nepal. 218. Who fixes the poverty line? Poverty line is fixed by Niti Aayog. Niti Aayog in NSSO, National Sample Survey Office, data and collect China and kami data ka anmang China. Who was the first Viceroy of India? Lord Canning. What was the minimum age required to become Vice President of India? Vice President le President 35 years and yahi. President 35, Governor 35, Rajya Sabha member 30, Member of Legislative Council 30, Lok Sabha member 25, John MLA po 25. So 35 is correct answer. Niti Aayog has been formed to replace which of the following institution? Planning Commission. This is the former name. Niti Aayog kan lamrang china niti kan deuranga. So niti here shin enge full form. National examachuak te 1 mark carry themo. National Institution for Transforming India. Transforming India. Poi molu tu kami Niti Aayog means full form of Niti. Choose 222. Which is the lowest unit of local government? Local government 3 total tier 3 tiers chinatro. Lowest unit lowest tier Gram Panchayat is correct answer. Which of the amendment is also known as mini constitution of India? Most common 42nd amendment. Chairman of Niti Aayog always Prime Minister Tuna Punarendra Modi ania and Vice President tunge. Vice President Suman Berry. After that, when was the first 5-year plan launched in India? 1951, 1st April. In Indian constitution, method of election of a president has been taken from which country? Yes, Irish, Ireland, atrangin kan borwatro. Chumizwa, who is the presiding officer of Lok Sabha? Presiding officer, speaker, obviously, speaker anidona. 228, who is known as the Napoleon of India? Hemi poi common nutuka Samudragupta. Question number 229, who is known as Frontier Gandhi? Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Hemi poi molutuka examachu akchina and 1 mark carry thay. Who is known as Frontier Gandhi? Abdul Ghaffar Khan is correct, and he was from Pakistan, Indian anilaw. He was the first recipient, means outside India, okay, foreigner. Kantithya, first foreigner who received Bharat Ratna. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan from Pakistan chupo 1987. Kumthum Nuwa Nelson Mandela from South Africa pon hemi highest civilian award hi dongvea 1990. Okay. Chumizwa, who is the first Nobel Prize winner in Asia? Nobel Prize winner in Asia Rabindranath Tagore ani and India loko Bharat Ratna hi India tuinge dong masaber kha S. Radha Krishnan. Chimza C. Raja Gopalachari and C.V. Raman in same day. After that, Article 1 of Indian Constitution declares India as Union of State. Question number 232. Who is the first foreigner to get Bharat Ratna? We can Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Yes. Decibel is the unit of sound. Decibel kan 25, 81, 115 decibel. So what does it mean? It means this we are talking about sound. Okay. Now sound it moves fastest in which material? Solida a fast bertrinyo. Solida a chakbera a speed. Chumzwa liquida. Chuan a gases a muangber. Okay. 17 times a chakrinyo as compared to that of gas. Nothing is solid berkhera. Achanju solida molecules in a closely and distance at lame thelu to katro. Jimmy Wangjan sound wave ka easily le hey chak the wind quickly the wind a move train. 235 diopter is the unit of diopter himo focal length inverse anitrina 1 by focal length and focal length kanti to juan enge omzia meter anitrin. So M inverse, meter inverse. Lens exact, how many types of lenses are there? 2 type. Pahachu concave and other convex. Adang pom trinto wa bifocal te pom trina hey modified lens chu tamludu. Masing main ka concave le convex anitrin. Converging le diverging lens engeni trin. Tahian convex lens pahat kan siyamang. And parallel light rays tihian tlata se tahian. Okay. Eng tinne bend down in shiyam. It bends toward single focal point. Moti hian bend down. Hemi wanghian le concave pogan siam lolo ang phota. Concave ajan parallel light rays atlak chuan annichu tihian bend te don. Okay, tihian bend te thin. Heta hian eng thil nge kan mu ava om khom. Mo a converge te zel light rays zong ka mun khata. So convex hey vex v kandang convex lens are converging lens and concave cave katijon see concave lens are diverging. A divert the hin a diverge the hian. No. So concave lens are diverging, convex lens are converging. Myopia concave kan mang trina short-sightedness and englo enge kha hypermetropia enge kan mang trin convex kan mang trin, and hypermetropia is long-sightedness. It's one other than myopia and hypermetropia. Astigmatism pom trina astigmatism a cylindrical lens kan mang trin. Question number 236. Who is the founder of Congress? AAO Hume, 1885 Mumbai. Now AAO Ellen Octavian Hume is correct answer. 237. During freedom struggle, Rabindranath Tagore renounced his knighthood in protest of Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Maker of modern India. Who is known as maker of modern India? Raja Ram Mohan Roy. On which principle does rocket works? Rocket engtinge work done. Thrust kila matron. Jo exhaust wangin a chakdawin exhaust nuaila machua katra. Nuaila machua chun hemi rocket hemi body shimshimi koila mange moved on. Thrust kila matro create don. That's why action is taking place here and its reaction is in the opposite direction. So Newton's third law of motion. So tahiyan momentum creator, we can also name it is law of conservation of momentum. Now 240. Which gas is filled in electric bulb? Electric bulb argon. Argon nga tinge argon kan thuntrin lenga tinge argon kan mantrin, because argon is an inert gas and na hemi inert gas hi bulb chunga torti hian kan siya ma hemi bulb nita se and filament pakhatom trina tungsten atanga siya. So tungsten nen argon hi voi khatma our react ngaila wati chetheila we shatiam dra. So if there is no reaction, then what does it mean? It means that argon kan mang thai, and argon chopon lo adang po inert gases like neon po kan mang thai, krypton po kan mang thai, helium po kan mang thai, and nitrogen po sometime we can use. 241. First sound film in India. Sound film in India. Alam Ara. 242. Who started Bhudan movement? Bhudan movement hi chang jan bloodless movement po kan trina. Bloodless means its other name anichu. Bloodless movement. Acharya Vinoda Bhave. This is correct answer. Chumizwa, which river makes Sundarban Delta? Ganga, Brahmaputra. Okay. Chumizwa, 244. Who is father of economy? Adam Smith. Hemi poi mokati vemo. Titanic ha at the time of sinking. Who was the captain when Titanic was sinking? Dunge surname ay nga chumiwang dyan mo, Edward J. Smith. Tihianin remember te hindu chon in remember te mo a captain ming ka enge. So Edward J. Smith. Which Vedas contain Gayatri mantra? Gayatri mantra is there in Rig Veda. Now Rig Veda and your Rig Veda ilar duganyo. Rig Veda, how many hymns are there? 1028 hymns are there. Okay, and that is called suktas. Suktas. And total avine books and total 10 books are there called mandals. Mandals. Din mandals kantia English means nang mane in Mizoram achon mandalas point meithia, and oldest Veda ani here Rig Veda. Total verses and sing khatle zarukla yomani total verses. 246. From where Satyameva Jayate is taken. Mundaka Upanishad, very famous. 247. From where Vande Mataram is taken. Anand Mat. Anand Mat hi Bengali novella niya Chitatrangchuan Kaimanin kan la. Who wrote Anand Mat? Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Who wrote Panchatantra cartoon? That line thadau ansiyam trina Vishnu Sharma. Question number 250. Who wrote Satyarth Prakash? Now Satyarth Prakash hi English in light of truth ani. Prakash hi light aniya, Satyarth hi truth tinaniya Hindi chongin. So light of truth author means Swami Dayanand Saraswati, and he was the founder of Arya Samaj. Slogan pakhatlardo, go back to the Vedas po Swami Vivekanand. A slogan anichina. 251. At which place was the first ever European township constructed in India? Fort Kochi. Hemi question poi larlu to ka poi mo. 252. Which gas is used in LP gas? Okay, liquefied petroleum gas cylinder. En gas nge kan man trin. Means en gas nge trin. Propane le butane trin. Propane hi C3 ani trin yo. Achu methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane. Tiang kan zia chuan C3H8. And butane hi methane, meth, eth, prop, but, pent, hex, hept, oct, non, dec. So C4 tinani chu. C4 and heta 10. Formula these are alkane anya. Organic chemistry ju kathil du ber anehtihian. CnH2n plus 2. So saturated only sigma bonds omtrin yo alkanes. Unsaturated tile data ila propine, butane, hexine, heptine or propene, butene, hexene. Tiang kanzian unsaturated hydrocarbons an trina pi bond pomtrin. Antinan hemi benzene pakat kan siamang. Hemi benzene anya. Circle nilen tihian kan siam zok ang initiatiam zok don mo tahian tro sigma bond eng zat nge om sigma hemi sigma bond in kan represent trina and hey achung mi pi bond kan trin okay pona mi poi pi bond in thai thau but apona mi pi bond in ti jona chung mi sigma bond kan ti ngai trina. So science students in ni jona initiatiam don a pi bond hata hydrogen 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 and hydrogen total sigma bonds eng zat nge 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 sigma and pi bond chungami pathum hi. Pi bond pathum. Okay. This is unsaturated hydrocarbon. Question number 253. Which gas is abundant in atmosphere? Nitrogen atom bera 78%. Choose oxygen atom lea 21%. Adot argon 0.93%. Tiyan kanziak lezelte. Carbon dioxide, neon, helium, krypton, xenon. Mo kanziak zelte ya. Question 254. Where Chandragupta Maurya died? Shravan Bel Gola. Shravan Bel Gola hi present time akhoyange omisya. Present time Karnataka a oma chuan 295 BC ya 295 BC ya thia apian namunkha Patliputra Bihar. Okay. Question 255. Where was Gautam Buddha born? Lumbini hemichu common lutuka Nepala. Where did Gautam Buddha gave his first sermon? Sarnath aniya Sarnathi Varanasi UP ya omaniya. And kami event ka enge Dharma Chakra Parivartan, turning of the wheel of law. Tahan kan ziya kang turning of the wheel of laws. Semi event turning of the wheel of laws. Who was the founder of Arya Samaj? Dayanand Saraswati. Who was the founder of Brahma Samaj? Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Who is the founder of Ramakrishna Mission? Swami Vivekananda. Who founded Abhinav Bharat Society? Vinayak Damodar Savarkar. Okay, these four are very common and very important. A cut diamond shine brilliantly due to total TIRE poimo. Total internal reflection himundanga koyange in move to. Diamond optical fibers periscope more binocular mirage po. 262. Texas belongs to central government. Hemichu last video po means last question lama khan kadatro. 263. Another name of rigor soil. Rigor soil himo very best for cotton cultivation. Trathailu dungani cotton cultivation atan rigor soil hi best anitrin. And rigor soil hi amingdang black soil and the trina. Time of 0 hour in parliament. 0 hour hi question hour zawa anitrina. That is 11 to 12 question hour anitrina. Chuan 0 hour hi 12 noon train darkat for 1 hour. First meeting of Constituent Assembly 9 December 1946. Last meeting of Constituent Assembly 24 January 1950. When was Bangladesh got freedom? 1971. 268. Who was the first Muslim president of INC, Indian National Congress? Badruddin Tayyab Ji. 269. Viceroy who passed the Vernacular Press Act 1878. Lord Lytton is correct answer. In ziak thlazel angami poi mohlam lutukania common ani a and achua dul tuktiangowi. Reserve Bank of India was nationalized in 1949. Places where Indian currency notes are printed. Indian currency notes antia Nasik, Maharashtra. Masang of wine 4 note printing press are there in India. Nichukhoya. Kajon DNMS tin ka remember topa Devas, Madhya Pradesh, Nasik, Maharashtra, Mysore, Karnataka, Salbani, West Bengal. 272. When was Reserve Bank of India established? That is April 1935, Khoya, Kolkata. 273. How many years does census kumsom dana census chu? Okay. 274. Who is considered as the father of Indian space program? Option A, APJ Abdul Kalam in muchon tik turan imi alonyo. Dr. Vikram Sarabhai hi correct answer ya. APJ Abdul Kalam ko jo missile man of India in muchon intika. Who discovered India? Vasco da Gama and year 1498. 276. Where is ISRO located? ISRO, headquarter of ISRO tour. Bangalore is correct. The reason for dengue fever is virus. Virus chuni don chial do. Aedes mosquitoes. Aedes mosquitoes. Chon exama malaria tile deita se malaria chon female anopheles. Okay, female anopheles. Which city is known as Silicon Valley of India? And 277 hi engtin nge lau chuate. The reason for dengue fever. Option A, fungi, bacteria, protozoa, virus. Virus in tika. 278. Which city is known as Silicon Valley of India? Silicon Valley is Bangalore. Thalassemia is a genetic disease which affects. Thalassemia is a genetic disease which affects. Option A, blood, kidney, lungs, heart. In answer turchu o RBC po ni thau RBC po anda thau ania RBC or blood is correct answer. It affect the I think I can say hemoglobin producing ability. Yes. 280. Who is the world first woman president? Sirimavo Bandaranaike. He Sri Lanka Prime Minister first and in 1960. Kuchipudi is classical dance form of which state? Andhra Pradesh. Which gas filled in tire of plane? Which gas is filled in a tire of plane? Helium is correct. First newspaper in India, Bengal Gazette. Bar is the unit of pressure. Pressure anitrina. Pressure unit is bar. Highest waterfall in India, Jog Fall is correct. Which gas is mainly found in gobar gas? Marsh gas anitrina. Methane. Konark Sun Temple is situated in Odisha. Where is the International Court of Justice located? The Hague, Netherlands. What is the full form of CFL? Compact fluorescent light. And what is the full form of LED? Chunita se light emitting diode. And what is the full form of LCD? Chunita se liquid crystal display. Now, what is the pH value of pure water? Pure water is neutral and last video apoka muto chautro 0 train 14 wine scale am trina 0 to 7 ka acidic nitrina 7 to 14 base masing 7 chia ka enge neutral. Okay, so pure water pH value is 7 because it is neutral. 291. How many groups and periods are there in periodic table? 18 groups and 7 periods. Wine SPDF groups in Shiachuan in relate dona. World's largest producer of mica is India. Which high court has jurisdiction over Andaman and Nicobar Island? Kolkata is correct. First annual session of Indian National Congress was held in 1885, Bombay. When was the first railways started in India? Railways. April 1853 is correct answer. And Hamihullahian Governor General of India hatunge Lord Dalhousie. Mumbai to Thane. And total length ka exact means distance ka exact 34 kilometer. Who is the last Mughal emperor of India? Bahadur Shah II. When was the first battle of Panipat fought? 1526. When was the battle of Buxar fought? 1764. Okay, explain vectonio tule tu inkar tite wenkim previous videos are. Gambit is the word used in chess. Gambit hemi word hi chess akan mangchina. When is 8th day celebrated? 1st December. So 300 questions tiyan kan practice to a PDF po Telegram akalo share vatanga video trying teach on in like nge donyo and channel first time in visit chuan in subscribe nge donya. Thank you so much for watching my video. Next video part 4 ain mule chau donya. Thank you.